Hey guys, it's Technomentary here today to do a quick tutorial on how to factory reset or hard reset your Samsung Galaxy S9. There's two methods to it, so we'll go and show you guys both of the methods that you can do. Before you do that, make sure you back up your device or back it up somewhere so that you can have your data, and also make sure you're signed out of your Google account on the Android. The first thing you want to do is go to locate your settings. So for the S9, if you slide up, go into the menu bar, you'll see where it says settings. So you want to click on settings, and then in the settings, you want to go all the way to general management. General management, you'll see reset. You want to click on reset. On the reset screen, you'll see there's multiple options for reset. The option that you want to select to factory reset your data would be factory data reset. The other options are resets for settings or network or accessibility. You want to be able to select the one that says factory reset data. So once you do that, it will tell you, all the stuff that will be erased from your Google account to your system and app data to all the settings you had, your downloaded music and all the pictures and videos and any kind of media that you had. So before you do that, like I said, make sure your device is backed up, and then you want to hit that reset button and then click and then final confirmation before everything is deleted. So you want to hit delete all, and that will kick off a shutdown. So the less data and settings you have, the faster it will reset. The more stuff you have, the longer it will take to reset. Once it kind of does kick off the reset process, it will take us back to the setup page. As you can see right now, we are in the Android screen where it is saying erasing. So you will see that kind of pop up as well. Once we see kind of this method, we'll show you guys the second method, which is more using the hardware. So that method is straightforward as well. That method will require you kind of holding three buttons at the same time. The first one will be volume up button, and then the big speed button, and then the power button as well. All three buttons simultaneously, and it will give us a boot up to the menu that will have kind of the option to do the reset as well. So let's give it a couple more moments till the phone kind of boots up to the setting. For the other method that I mentioned, we do need to power off the phone. So the key thing for that one is the phone has to be powered off for us to be able to press and hold the volume up button, big speed button, and then the power button as well. So right now we're just gonna let it finish up doing the reset. Like I said, the more data that you have, the longer it will take for the phone to reset. Also, another good kind of tips on kind of doing a reset of your phone that I usually recommend is since if I have a lot of video or pictures, I'll select all and hit that delete button before I even do a reset. So that way the phone already does that resetting before you kick off the full process, but either or, it will end up deleting everything, so your phone will be good to go from there. Yeah, so we'll have to give it a moment or two. By the way, if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. That really does help our channel making these awesome videos for you guys on YouTube. Also hit that like button as well. As you can see now, we are at starting Android. So this is doing just kind of rebooting the Android to the setup screen. So this is the screen you get when you initially power on the phone. Now let's go ahead and do the second method. For the second method reset, we're going to have to power off the phone. So go ahead and hold down the volume button on the side and power off your phone. and you have to wait till it's fully powered off before we can go ahead and do the method. Okay, so it is fully powered off, so this method requires us holding the volume up button, Bixby button, and the power button at the same time. So keep on holding them down till you see a menu for reset. Here you go. So as you can see, we hit the menu for reset. As you can see, there's multiple options here. So the way to navigate on this is you're going to use the volume up for up selection, volume down for down selection, and then finally use the power button on the side to hit OK or select that option. So to do a reset here, we're going to go down to where in the fourth option where it says, if you can see, wipe data factory reset. So this is the step that you want to do. Then you'll see a red kind of warning pop up where it says if your phone is reset, you may need to enter a Google account information. That's why, like I mentioned in the beginning, you want to make sure you're signed out of your Google account if you have it. So once you're sure that you want to reset, now hit the volume up button, the power button on this side to kind of select that option, and it will kind of give us another final warning, says this cannot be undone, wipe all user data. So it defaults to no, but we want to hit the volume down button to select yes, and then click this power button again to kind of select that option. As you can see on the bottom, it will start wiping out your data here. As you can see, it says wiping data, formatting cache, and it says a data wipe complete. And finally, you want to now reboot the phone. So that's the first option that it defaults to. So once you see that reboot system now, you want to hit the volume button again and power button here, and that will do the reset. So same thing again like it did with the first method. It will do kind of couple of reboots sometimes and kind of erase everything that you have and get us back to the setup screen. Well, hopefully this video helps you guys kind of reset your phone. If this video helped, please make sure to subscribe to our channel so we can make these awesome videos, and also hit that like button. See you guys next time.